Okay, let's take a look at this digital microscope here that comes with this flexible arm. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is a really cool microscope that you can use for all types of purposes. I guess its primary purpose is for like repairing electronics. So if you do any type of electronics repair, this will help you get a really close-up look at it. So it's super nice because it comes with this, so you can mount it to your desk so your hands free. You can adjust it any position that you like, and then this microscope just slides in there. You can remove it if you want. Right now I have it clipped in there. So let me show you some of the features here real quick. There's a power button here. Well, the power button here is on the back, so you can switch between camera and video mode here by pressing this button. And then there's the review, so you can play back what you've recorded. So here's a video I've recorded here. And then you can adjust the light on it as well. So there's a dial here, so you can turn on the light right here to brighten up your object. So that is really cool. And then there's some other controls right here. Has date and time, everything. So let me show you this. So if you want to record yourself, or you want to see this item close up that you're repairing, you can put that under your microscope there. And then turn this knob for focus, and then that way you get a really nice close-up. And you can adjust it however you want, up and down. So if you want to get really close, you can do that as well, like that. And then adjust this to change the focus. And then you can see there. It's really nice and close up there, so you can have a nice detailed look at what you're working on. Just like that, and then change the focus. There you go. And that way you can work on any of these things really easily if you're soldering them or whatever. So that is really cool. That's one of the, I guess it's the primary use of this. You can use it for other purposes. So here I've got this sticky fly trap here that caught all the flies from the plants. So these are, I guess, fungus gnats here. So you can use this microscope to take a real close-up look at them. So you can put this up down here real close, and then we can change the focus here. Let's see, let's put one down there, change the focus, and then you can have a real nice look at those. So that is really cool. So this is how far away it is now. If we get even closer like this, we can even magnify it even more. So there you go. So really cool. You can see it's a really useful tool. You can use it for all kinds of purposes. So you can see all the nice detail on there. And then you can take a photo. Right now it's on video mode, so you can start recording a video. Records in 1080p. If you want to take a photo, you switch to photo mode, snap a photo just like that. So super cool. And then go back to review mode, and then you can review what you've done, taken photos or videos of. See? So super cool. And then it comes with a memory card right on the side there, so you can download all those photos and videos as you need. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, really cool, make sure you check this one out.